Hey, what is up gamers, this is Expo and welcome back to another video guys. First of all, thank you so much for your wishes. It was really amazing that you wished me from all over the world, and I think I'm blessed that I got a chance to help you. So once again, thank you so much for your love and support. So guys, let's talk about today's topic. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix lag and FPS drop for any particular games using smart kernel script file. And in this script file you can add your game name, so the script will work directly to your games. So guys, without wasting your time, let me show you how you can use this script file. So guys, first of all I will show you that my device is rooted or not, because there are so many viewers who think that my device is rooted. So let me open root checker app and let's verify the root. So guys, as you can see that my device is not rooted anymore. I hope your all doubt is cleared now. So first you need to download the file from the link. After download, extract the file, and here you will get the script file and the smart kernel apk app. Guys, please watch the video carefully, because some viewers don't watch the video and later complain that it's not working. So I strongly suggest you to watch full video without skip. Okay, so first install the smart kernel apk app. So let's install. After install, open the app and allow the permission. Now simply tap on 3 lines, and guys, you cannot use all the features of this app because it's a rooted app and the bypass for non-rooted devices, so all the features will not work on non-rooted devices. You guys simply follow my steps to avoid any errors. So first tap on virtual memory, and here enable apply on boot and virtual memory tunable. Now go to performance tweaks, and here select gaming mode, because we all are here to increase gaming performance. Now the main step is applying script files. So guys, watch carefully or else you may get error while applying the script files. So again tap on 3 lines and go to the script manager sections. Now here first slide left and enable apply on boot. Now tap on plus icon, then click on create, and here type the script name. So the script name would be gaming_script.sh. then tap on OK. And now here we have to add the script files. So simply go to downloaded folder and open a script file using any text editor, and now here select all the text and copy. After copy, go back to the smart kernel app and here paste the copied file. After copy, scroll down, and here you can see that the package name is empty, so here we have to add the package name of games. Now the question is, what is package name and how to get it? So guys, to get the package name, simply go to the zArchiver app and then go to the internet storage, then search for Android folder, then data, and guys, these are the package name of installed apps and games. So we have to copy the package name from here. So simply select your game and copy the package name. After copying package name, go back to the smart kernel app and paste the copied package name here. And that's all guys. Now script will directly work to your games. Now simply tap on this icon to save the script file. So the file has been added here. Now tap here and enable on boot options. Now again tap here and tap on execute, then OK. So as you can see that the script file has been executed. Now go back and tap on 3 lines, then go to settings and scroll down and enable these settings. That's all guys. Now go to home page and reboot or restart your device and enjoy game without any lag and the frame drops. So guys, please give it a try and let me know in the comment section that this script is working or not, and if you're facing any problem you can ask me in comment sections or you can DM me in Instagram, and guys, you can also join my Telegram channel to stay updated. So guys, that's all for today. See you next video. Till then, take care and signing out. I should fuck her in the Benz.